Ready, start. Sir, the President's address is supposed to be a very important document, and in that document, it is expected that true situations should be reflected. Full stop. But I am very sorry to say that the true situation in the country about unemployment, about poverty, about discrimination between agriculture and industry is not reflected. Full stop. If time permits, I will discuss about it in detail later on. Full stop. Para. So far as the communal situation in the country is concerned, it has been discussed at large, and a satisfaction has been expressed in the president's address about the turn that it has taken in Punjab. Full stop. It has been appreciated by the government, by the nation, and by all the political parties. The stand taken by Barnala government and the Akali Dal. Full stop. Very recently, they have declared politics and religion should not be mixed. Full stop. Now the Akali Dal itself, with this experience, actually they are doing that. They were relying on religion and practicing religion and politics together. Full stop. But now they have taken a different stand, and it is a very welcome stand. Full stop. But still we have to see to what extent the Akali Dal withstand the pressure which is being developed in Punjab. Full stop. Let us hope that they will withstand that pressure and act as they have declared that politics and religion should be separated. Full stop. Para. About other communal factors between Sikhs and Hindus, between Muslims and Hindus, this has taken a very serious turn in our country. Full stop. What is happening in Ahmedabad? Question mark. For petty innocent lives of Muslims and of Hindus have been lost. Full stop. Very recently, this communal riot took place only because a particular person was arrested. That particular person was said to be anti-social, and he has been detained under the provisions of the law. Full stop. But that outlaw has been elected in the Ahmedabad corporation in 5 municipal constituencies. Full stop. What will be the effect of this incident? Question mark. The fact should be very well reflected where we are going now. Full stop. A person who is anti-national, anti-social, a person who had been detained in the jail because of antisocial activities is being elected by the people of this country in 5 constituencies. Full stop. Will this not have any bad effect on the people of this country? Question mark. But according to me, nothing is being done by the government to stop this trend. Full stop. Para. It is very easy to advise the Akali Dal that they should separate religion and politics. Full stop. But what about the other political parties which are supposed to be secular and saying that they are secular parties, allowing everybody to be a member of their own party's membership is not restricted to a particular religion. Full stop. But coming to relying on religion and communal sentiments, some papers are not only relying on religious and communal sentiments but also nursing religious and communal sentiments, including the ruling party. Full stop. Para. What has happened to the Muslim women's divorce bill question mark. It was simply a fact that for nursing communal tendencies with a communal approach, that bill was passed, which was very clear to everybody in this house. Full stop. If that is going to be the case, it will encourage communal feelings this way or that way, and it is going to destroy the whole nation. And I feel that all the political parties should understand this. Full stop. They say that my friend has taken a good stand, that he has done a good thing. Full stop. But we are not to be blamed, question mark. We are not blamed here because my friend is in the dock. Full stop. We have put him in the dock. We are also in the dock, and we should be treated as persons responsible for this factor. Full stop. Because the time at my disposal is not much, I will not deal with this matter in detail. Full stop. Para. Then I want to mention one or two other factors. Full stop. The common man is concerned about the price increase. Full stop. It is said in the address that there is a widening gap between the wholesale price index and the consumer price index. Full stop. Simply saying that there is a gap between the wholesale price index and the consumer price index does not suffice. Full stop. What are the attempts made by the government to eliminate this gap? Question mark. There are no attempts to eliminate this gap. Full stop. Because there is no attempt on the part of the government. The middleman is looting the consumer. He is looting the producer with the conscious connivance of the government. Full stop. With the conscious connivance of the government, I have said, because it is the duty of the government to see that the consumer is not being looted. Full stop. It is the duty of the government to see that the producer is not being looted. Full stop. What has happened to the case of selling of garlic? Question mark. The producer might have sold his goods at the rate of hardly rupees 10 or rupees 15 per kg, but in the market for some time it was being sold by the traders at the rate of rupees 60 per kg. Full stop. Overall.